Hello, everyone out in Martunieville, Martusians and Puppet Land folks. We're coming to you from Martuni's now, and we're going to be giving you the top songs from 1948. Yes, the year that Israel became a country. So we're looking at 1948, and the number one song was a song that Dinah Shore sang, and it's awful. And I've already pre-recorded it. Because I don't want to even hear anyone ever here in this bar do this song. It was called Buttons and Bows, and it's so sexist. It's so awful. But you'll still get to hear me do it online. But the number two song was very important because it was a Nat King Cole song that was hugely popular, and people sing it in this bar all the time.
There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. Little shy and sad of eyes, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way. And there we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest joy you ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange and enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea, with giants and mine, and very wise was he. And then one day, one very magic day, he passed my way. And there we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest joy you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.